Hi everyone, I'm Sukhi of Sukhi's Gourmet Indian Foods. India is a country of festivals. Every second week we have a festival. Some are big, some are small. The first major festival of the year is called Holi. It is a festival of colors and it is welcomed with throwing a lot of color at each other, wet color, dry color, and of course every festival has a lot of food and many desserts. One of the desserts which I liked very much in my childhood was Chana Dal Halwa, but it was very tedious to make. We had to soak the dal and grind it and then keep roasting it. So I created a simpler recipe which is just as good and tasty to make, and you can make it on any weeknight of this. So let's make Chana Dal Halwa. Chana Dal is basically Bengal gram, which is a variety of chickpeas. Only it is split and peeled. When you grind it to a powdered form, it is called besan or chickpea flour. It has a great nutty flavor. The onion bhaji or seekh kebabs you enjoy use chana dal as a binder. For this recipe, we will soak chana dal for 3 to 4 hours. Then drain the soaking water. Add water just enough to cover the soaked dal. The quantity of water used for cooking should be just enough to cook the dal through, but should not make it runny. If you are using an Instapot, just put it on rice and it will cook perfectly. Once cooked through, transfer chana dal to a pan. Gently mash it and cook off any excess water on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the water is cooked off, we will add ghee. I make my own ghee at home using store-bought butter. Let me know if you'd like to share the recipe for homemade ghee sometime. Store-bought ghee is equally good. We will cook chana dal and ghee for some 8 to 10 minutes until our paste turns into a beautiful golden color. Once it begins to change color, we will turn the heat off and add the rest of the ingredients. Your rich, nutty and decadent Chana Dal Halwa is ready to eat. Garnish with some slivered nuts, almonds and pistachios and enjoy it warm.